Right, while we're on the Vito, I might as well do a tutorial on how to remove the door mirror. The door mirror, which is quite simple and easy. So you obviously will need the door card off for this. First step I would say would be to remove your speaker, because your cable runs up the side here and sometimes they go around the back of the runner for the window, and it just makes it easier because you can get your hand in there, untie it around it and get it out. So first off, we're going to take the speaker out, which is held on right. The speaker is held on by Torx 25s. There should be 4 of them or 3. Right, the speaker's removed, so I'm going to chase the cable in and remove that from the door. There's one, there's 2, and then it's down here, the black one. So right, that's that unplugged. Oh, and we're going to pop that through there, and which it does, it goes around the back of the runner of the window, so we're just going to tease that there a little bit. Right, the only difficult bit here is this screw is at an angle, so you will need a ratchet to release this. So I'm just going to use a little ratchet with the Torx 30 on the end to undo this screw. Now I'm not going to lie, sometimes these screws drop right down to the door and you just got to find them, just because they decide to put them at a weird angle. And there it goes, the screws now fell into the door. I'm going to remove these 2 screws. Now the hard bit is you've got to try and wiggle, lift it up from the outside and then get your cabling around the inner bit, which is a bit of a struggle sometimes. Right, what I would suggest is if you get a friend to help you here, because this is quite hard, the rubber grommet that goes around this hole here gets stuck just here because it's only a small hole to get the cabling through. So I've just got someone on the other side holding it while I feed the wire up. As you can see, the little grommet's stuck there, so we just got to give this a little pull up, and there we go. Now it's caught on the plug. There we go, one door mirror removed. I would suggest getting a friend just to hold the door mirror the other side while you feed the cabling up here, because it gets trapped around here on the clips and lugs. You can do it on your own, you can just leave the door mirror to dangle down, but you may scratch your paint or put a dent in it. So thanks for watching, there's another little tutorial on the Vito van.